In this tutorial, I'm showing you how to make this handbag. It has a recessed zipper and it's fully lined. Come on. First, you gather all your fabrics and prepare the pieces you need for this bag. Cutting, ironing, measuring, etc. You need 4 pieces of main fabric, 4 pieces of lining, 2 pieces for the straps, 4 pieces of fusible interfacing and 2 pieces of batting and a zipper. Apply the interfacing to the 2 main panels and the 2 zipper panels. Quilt the 2 batting pieces to the 2 main fabric pieces. I used my walking foot to sew straight lines across the panels. Draw 3/4 inch squares at the bottom corners of each zipper panel. Cut out these 2 squares per panel. Lay 1 main zipper panel right side up and place the zipper face down on top, aligning it along the upper edge between the notched corners. Now place a lining panel face down on top. Use clips to secure the 3 fabrics and sew through all 3 layers using a zipper foot. Press the sewn seams away from the zipper. Repeat the same process for the other 2 zipper pieces on the opposite zipper tape. This is what the zipper piece should look like now. Now top stitch close to the folded edge on both sides of the zipper using a zipper foot. Cut off any excess zipper tape. Pin the lining and the main fabric together right sides facing and sew across these short ends, repeating this for the other side as well. Bring the seams towards the zipper and form a triangle. Sew along the edge formed by the notches. Repeat for the other end. To make the bag straps, fold the long fabric strip in half and sew the long edges right side together. Then turn the strap right side out using a tool like the tube turner set. Press the strap flat and top stitch on both edges. Now position the straps 5 inches away from the edges of the main panel on the right side. Attach with pins or clips and top stitch on both edges of each strap. Start at the bottom edge and sew up. Stop 1 inch away from the top edge. Make a 90-degree turn, sew across the strap, and then sew down again on the top stitching until the bottom edge. Do this for all 4 strap ends. Now sew the 2 main panels together, right sides facing. Sew the side seam, bottom seam, and other side seam. Again, I'm using a walking foot to handle these layers. Bring the 2 side seams together and form a triangle. Measure 2 inches from the point and draw a line across. Stitch on this line to make a boxed corner. Do this for both corners. Cut off the excess fabric at 1/2 inch. Sew the lining pieces together but leave a 6-inch turning hole. Sew the boxed corners just like you did with the main panels. Insert the zipper part into the lining with the lining fabric facing each other. Match the raw edges, pin or clip together, and sew all around. Insert the main bag into the lining and match the raw edges, clip them together, and sew all around. Turn the bag right side out through the turning hole, close the turning hole, and push the lining into the main bag. Press the top edge of the bag and add top stitching close to the edge to keep the recessed part in place. Again, I used my walking foot to handle the bulky layers. And this is the result.